Hello, 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 guys. This is Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And if you can recognize my background, you will see that I am at Walmart, Wally World. I am here to show you guys some coupon matchups as well as some ways to get some freebies through Ibotta and get some really cheap things. We're going to get some food. We're going to get some hygiene products. We're just going to have a ball with savings, guys. And all you need to do is download that Ibotta app. If you haven't downloaded it, I have put a link in the description box as well as in the comments. I will also put my code there because the first time you redeem a rebate, you will get some extra money in your Ibotta app. So let's show how we can save together. So before we get started, as always, guys, give me some thumbs up. I need you to like this video. If you see any deals in the video that you want to do, please comment them below. If you've already done these deals, let me know how they worked out. Or if you see any deals or think of any deals that you'd like me to do, let me know because I'll certainly try them out for you. So are you guys ready to save? Download that Ibotta app. Get your pencil and paper out. Get those inserts out. And let's get ready to save. Okay, guys, so again, before we get started, I need you to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, and hit that bell. That way, whenever I put up a new video, you will get a notification and you won't miss out on any of the secret codes, savings, secret sauce, and all the money saving tips that we have for you, because we want to make sure that that dollar stretches just a little bit longer. So guys, let's start with our first deal. I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see exactly what I am referring to. So our first deal, you're going to grab one of these 6 packs of Oral-B toothbrushes. Now, they are $2.97, but we're going to make these even cheaper because you're going to clip this coupon out of your P&G insert, which is going to bring them down to 97 cents. So you're going to get 6 Oral-B toothbrushes for 97 cents. Now this pack is like all red and pink. I'm going to grab this one, which is the multicolored one, and I'm going to put my coupon here so I don't forget to scan it, because my last couple trips, couple things went wrong. So I'm going to get ready to go to our next deal. Okay, guys, so our next deal, you're going to grab one of these men's Suave shampoos. They are $1.98, and you're going to clip this coupon that came out in your save insert last week, and that's going to take 50 cents off. So that's going to leave you paying 48 cents at the register. Now, if you have Fetch Rewards, go ahead and scan this receipt for Fetch Rewards, because you're going to get another, I believe it's 25 cents back. I'm not quite sure because I already redeemed my offer, so I can't show you the offer. But again, if you have Fetch, go ahead and download that, scan that receipt, and this will be a really good deal for you. If you haven't downloaded Fetch, I will put my link in the description box as well as the comments, and I will put my code here on the screen, and go ahead and download, and that way we can all save together. Let me grab one of these, put it in the cart, and move on to our next deal. Okay, guys, so we're at our next deal. Our next deal is going to be on the Kotex, and there's all different varieties you can get, but you guys know I always go the cheapest route that I can find. So these, I'm going to grab the U by Kotex 40 count, which are liners, which are $2.97. Now, you're going to also clip, you can either clip the coupon off of coupons.com where you get $1 off, or there's a coupon in the newspaper. I'm not sure the expiration date of it, but when you take this $1 off, you're going to pay $2.97 at the register. You're going to pay $1.97 at the register, and then there is an Ibotta rebate for another $1 off. So in the end, you're going to pay 97 cents for these liners. So let's put these in our cart and move on to our next deal. Okay guys, so our next deal is going to be on some hair dye, and there's a bunch that you can choose from because I'm going to combine a deal of a paper deal along with an Ibotta deal. So I have this coupon that came out, I believe it was last week, and it's buy one get one free, and you can choose from all different ones. You can get Clairol Nice and Easy, Root Touch Up Permanent, Natural Instincts, but you're going to buy one and you're going to get one free. So some of them are $6.92. Some of them are $6.97. I'm going to grab two that are $6.92. So I grabbed a Natural Instincts and a Nice and Easy. I'm going to give them my coupon. So at the register, I'm going to pay $6.92 because it's buy one, get one free. But then as you can see, I have these Ibotta rebates. One attaches to each one. So I'm going to get $2 back for each one. So that's a total of $4. So in the end, I'm only going to end up paying $2.92 for 2 boxes of dye. So if you need dye, or you're a person who dyes your hair and things, even if you don't need a touch-up now, you want to get it because this is a good price and put it up for later. Okay, guys, so we are at the greeting cards, and I've done this deal probably about 5 times since it came out, and they keep giving it back to me, so I just keep doing it. So if you still have this in your cart, please go out and do it because I believe it expires like within 18 hours or something like that. But here it is. You buy 3 greeting cards from American Greeting Cards and you get $3 back. So you can either choose the 47-cent ones and make it a money maker for you, or you can get the 97-cent cards, whichever you choose. I always go with the 97 cents because it's not too many 47 cents that work, and I don't have time to keep on scanning all these cards. But make sure that you scan them to make sure that they do qualify. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick my 97-cent cards out, and they will be free. I'm going to pay $2 and $2.91 at the register, and I will get $3 back from my Ibotta, so then it'll be a 9-cent money maker for me and free cards. So I'll let you guys know which ones that I choose. Okay guys, so these are the 3 cards that I chose to get. So we're moving on to our next offer. Okay guys, so we're at our next deal, and that is on the Renu solids. So they are 97 cents, and I have a coupon here. Now this one was in, I believe, your Smart Source, but you buy 4 and you get 2 free. So I'm going to pay for 4 at the register. So I'm going to grab a total of 6. I'm going to pay 4 at the register. But you see I have this Ibotta coupon, this Ibotta rebate. So when you redeem that rebate, you're going to get $2 back from Ibotta. So it's going to be like getting 6 of them for $2. So let me go ahead and grab my 6. And like I said, with that coupon, you're going to pay. I have these things rolling all around the floor. This is incredible. You're going to pay. See them rolling, guys? I just drop them and everything. So they're going to kill me. So you see I have 6 in the cart. So I'm going to pay $4 at the register, get $2 back from my Ibotta. So it'll be like getting 6 for $2. Okay guys, so we're at our next deal, which is going to be on the Hellmann's mayonnaise. You can either get the squeeze bottle or the squeeze bottle light or the regular one. I'm going to get the light because that's what we use in our house, and it's $2.78, and it's even $2.78 for regular. So it doesn't matter which one you get. And you're going to clip this 50-cent coupon out of your insert, and then you're also going to clip that Ibotta rebate. And by the time you use your 50-cent coupon along with your Ibotta rebate, you're going to pay $1.53 for this mayonnaise. So that is that's almost less than half price. So that's a pretty good deal for this mayonnaise. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to throw that in my cart, and I'm going to move on to the next deal. Okay guys, so our next deal is going to be the Jimmy Dean's sausage. You can get the turkey, you can get the pork. I wanted to get the turkey, but I don't see them. I think they're all sold out. So we're gonna have to go with the pork. So they are $3.68. Let me grab them. Now, you're also going to use this $1 off coupon. $1. There's 2 coupons that actually came out in your inserts, one for $1 and one for 50 cents. Maximize your money, guys. Get the most that you can get. So use the $1 one. So I got $1 off, so that's going to take them down to $2.68 that I'm going to pay at the register. And then as you can see, we have this Ibotta rebate, so that's going to take it down to $1.68 out of pocket for our Jimmy Dean sausages. Okay, guys, so I'm at our next deal, and our next deal is the Bio Boost or Bay Boost. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it is a energy drink, and it is a freebie for us. So it's $1.98, and as you can see, I do have the Ibotta rebate up in the corner, so make sure you clip that because it's $1.99 for the rebate. And guess what? You're going to make 1 cent by getting that. So I'm going to grab one of these. I'm going to try it and see how it works, and if it really boosts your energy or not. I'm willing to try anything because you know free is my best friend. Okay, guys, so we have come up to one of my favorite deals. This is the first time I've ever done this deal, and I love these candies. So they are the Mambo candies, and they are $1.08, and they're buy one get one free. So you're going to clip that Ibotta rebate. You're going to grab 2 of these, and you're going to pay $1.08 once you get your rebate back from Ibotta. The next rebate we're going to do is one that we've done 1,000,001 times, but again, I love these treats and I love to get these cheap snacks, so I'm going to keep on doing it because it saves me money on buying my snacks. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that Rice Krispie treat deal. It's $1.18. We're going to take off the 25-cent Ibotta rebate that we're getting, and we're going to throw that in our cart for another cheap rebate. There's my Nutella, guys. You know I do Nutella every time I can. So I'm going to grab one of these Nutellas. You can get the pretzel sticks or the breadsticks. They're $1.48. We're going to get 50 cents back from Ibotta. So we're going to pay 98 cents for these. Guys, I'm getting some real cheap snacks so that I can have for the kids when they come over, and for guests, and for myself. Okay, guys, so I just rang all of my stuff up at the register. It's $45.23 before my coupons. So let me take my coupons off so that you can see what the total is then. Okay, guys, so you can see after my coupons, my total came down to $29.69, and that is with tax. So I'm going to show you, once my receipt prints out, what I'm paying before tax, and then we'll send it to Ibotta, and you'll know the actual out of pocket. Okay, guys, so you can see I am back from Walmart, and this is everything that I got. The 3 greeting cards, the Rice Krispie treats, the toothbrushes, the Mambo candy, Jimmy Dean sausages, the 6 Renus, the Hellmann's mayonnaise, the Bio Boost, Suave shampoo, Nutella, the 2 dyes, and the Light Days panty liners. So my total after coupons, as you can see with my receipt on the screen, minus tax, came to $28.89. Now I did submit my receipt to Ibotta as well as Fetch. So let's show what the outcome was. Okay, guys, so I'm back with my Ibotta rebates as well as my Fetch rebates. So from Ibotta, I got back $16.67. So I will show you everything I got. I got 10 cents for any item, the $1.99 for the Bio Boost, which again was free, 75 cents for the mayonnaise, 50 cents for the Nutella, $1 for the Jimmy Dean's, $1 for the Kotex, $2 for each one of the hair dyes, $2 for the Renuzits, $1.08 for the Mambo candy, 25 cents for the Rice Krispies, $3 for the American greeting cards, and I got $1 for completing the Clairol hair color bonus, which you only have to buy 2. So that is $16.67 I got back from Walmart. If you subtract that from the $28.89 that I paid out of pocket, that brings that down to $12.22. And then here is my Fetch rewards that I got back. I got a total of $1.75, which was $1.29 for buying the Kotex. The Kotex had a special offer. Then I got 27 cents back for the mayonnaise and 19 cents back for the swab. So I was surprised that I got the swab because I had did it again. I didn't realize I had done it before, so I didn't realize I could do it again. So that was a total of $1.75. And if you subtract that from the $12.22, that left me with $10.47 for everything out of pocket. Okay, so if you do the math, I got a total of 21 items. If you divide that by $10.47 by 21 items, that means you pay 49.85 cents. So we round that up to 50 cents per item. I'd say that's a terrific deal, guys. So make sure that you download the Ibotta app and the Fetch app. Here are my codes again for you. Again, I will put the links down in the description box as well as the comment box. And when you redeem your first rebate, you do get a bonus. So go out and get those bonuses. Go out and save. Don't forget to comment below what deals are your favorite, which ones you plan on doing. And if you already did them, let me know how they came out. And let me know what deals you want to see me do. And as always, I thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and keep on saving.